I think it's time to dig into this engine. I'm going to take the top end off and do a squish band measurement on this thing before I tear it all down to reseal it. Actually needs a little cosmetic work too, doesn't it? See that? Doesn't look pretty. I just put the plugs and the bolts back in so I could do this first. We got some Permatex on this head gasket. All 3 layers of the head gasket were used. Do you think I can do this just using the Kickstarter? I'm not sure. I think not. .58, 1.4. I've measured these things several times and I come up with about that. I don't know why the big variance between this guy and this guy on the intake side, but it is what it is. And measuring the bores with my handy caliper here, I'm finding that this thing appears to be on its standard bore. That's interesting. I don't know if these are the bigger cross-section clutch plates or not. I'll have to compare them to some other discs I have on hand. This is 2 copper pennies. Started coming out. I think this is just about done. Seems like an awful lot of effort time and effort to replace seals that visibly look absolutely perfect, but this engine has been sitting for many, many years. So we're going to replace crank seals and some other stuff and clean it up. Nice. So that seal will get replaced also. Man, it just looks perfect. So does this one. See what kind of reed valves we have in here. Oh, Boyson 2-stage. And here's a close-up of the turf-free porting, intake porting on these things. These screws are always fun, aren't they? These two. This one's already pre-stripped a little bit, so it should be fun. Please don't strip out more. One. Do you think I can get these case halves separated and leave the pistons attached to the rods? I'm going to try. Yuck. Look at that mess. Flip these over, put the sauce on it, and turn it up to 350.